I'm going to teach you guys how to earn $900 in 1 hour on autopilot, and this is an easy way to make some money online. Now guys, I do want to tell you that you can make a lot of money by doing this, but just make sure that you just follow along and stay to the end of this video so you can fully understand how to do this amazing method, because it's definitely worth your time. And this is a super easy way to make some money online, guys, and I'm not joking around. This is completely easy and anyone can do this. It's completely worldwide. Everyone could do this, guys, and I definitely recommend this method as one of the best side hustles ever. So definitely just pay attention and follow along so you do not get lost, because I do not want anyone to get lost at all. Alright guys, so the website we're going to be talking about today is called People Per Hour. So People Per Hour is this website where you can literally earn money by just becoming a freelancer on this platform. Now you can do so many different jobs on this platform, and one of the jobs that I'm going to be showing you today, you don't need any experience at all. It's completely easy to do, it's free to do, and it's definitely something that you want to do right now in 2020, guys. It's a great side hustle, and I definitely recommend it, and you can make a lot of money by doing this, guys. Now let's scroll down. So I'm basically just going to go over what People Per Hour is. So as you can see right here, there's so many different businesses, 935,000 plus businesses on this platform, and there's over 2 million freelancers, and over so many millions of dollars has been paid out to different freelancers, and a lot of people are earning a lot of money. Now guys, I do want to scroll down, and as you can see right here, Business Insider, there's so many different companies right here it's been seen on. So some big companies like Forbes too. So all these news channel companies and stuff have been talking about it, right? And they've been documenting it, and it's a great platform to join. Now as you can see right here, they hire in minutes, so there's plenty of work to be done. So it's a great side hustle to start. There's plenty of work, there's plenty of people there that are looking for other people to do this work, and it's completely simple and easy to do, and you can do the work right away, and it's just that simple and easy, guys. And let's scroll down. So as you can see right here, people post different projects, and then you just complete the projects, and then they leave a review, some type of review, right? So they can leave like a 5-star rating, 4-star rating. It just depends how good of the work that you've completed for them, and then they just leave a review, a comment, and this will really build up your resume on this platform, and this will really help you be able to make more money on this platform, guys. So make sure you take this serious if you're going to really do this method, because this will really build up your resume, especially if you want to build your own company outside of People Per Hour. So I definitely recommend doing this method. All right, now let's scroll down real quick. So as we scroll down, as you can see right here, like I said, everything's trusted. It's completely easy. Everything's secure on this platform. I understand, making money online, that's the #1 thing, is really security, guys. And trust me, this platform is completely secure. It's one of the biggest freelancing platforms out there. But anyway, let's scroll down. Alright, so as we scroll down, as you can see right here, guys, we're going to scroll back up, and I'm going to show you exactly where to go to make this easy money in 2020 now. As you can see right here, we're going to click on search projects, and it's going to take us to this page. Now guys, here's the page right here. It's called YouTube thumbnails. Okay, that's what we're going to be doing on this platform. Now you can earn a lot of money by creating simple thumbnails, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that in literally just seconds, guys. I'm not joking around. This is not clickbait. You can make a lot of money by doing this, guys. No joke. Now as you can see, as we scroll down, look at this, $98 right there. Look at that, $98, $61, $50 just to create some thumbnails. And I'm going to show you how to do it in a simple way, an easy way, and it's definitely worth it, and it's not hard at all, trust me. $100, $200, look at this, $500. Like I said, this is big boy money right here, guys. If you're excited to make money in 2020, type money in the comment section below right now. Everyone type money right now if you're excited to make some money in 2020 and you're ready to start your own side hustle, guys, because that's what we need. That's the energy that we need to bring into this, and we need to stay laser focused, right? But like I said, this is a lot of money right here just to create thumbnails, and like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to do this in literally seconds. No joke, in literally seconds. Now I'm going to show you a couple different websites that you can join. So we have one website right here called Photopea. Me personally, I haven't really used this platform, but this is a great platform. It's kind of like Photoshop, right? But Photopea, you can literally crop the image, right? You can do it on the YouTube ratio, right? So the YouTube size, I believe, it's like 12, 8, something like that. You can look it up. But basically, guys, you can use a platform like this. You can also use a platform called Canva. So there's different platforms that you can use that can definitely make free thumbnails for you, and they're easy to use thumbnails, guys. Trust me, they're easy to do and easy to create. And as you can see right here, you can start your own new project, and then you can get started by doing this. There's different colors, paint brushes. You can add some text, like, guys, you can import images. So that's really all you need to create, good thumbnails. Just you can import different images, add text, bubble letters, whatever you want, right? And it's very simple and easy to understand, and it's very simple and easy to do, right? But I definitely recommend Pia right here. Everyone could check out Pia. Also, I recommend Canva too. I personally used Canva before, so I definitely recommend Canva. It's a great platform to literally earn money just by creating simple thumbnails. Definitely recommend it. Alright, so let's go on to the next website real quick. So where we're gonna go, guys, is literally Snappa right here. So guys, Snappa is another website that you can do this method on, and it's a great website to do this. You can create so many different things on this platform, like thumbnails to cover arts to, Facebook ads, Facebook posts, different things like that, guys. And you can earn a lot of money by doing this. And I do want to tell you guys real quick that just because we're talking about YouTube thumbnails doesn't mean that you don't have to expand it a little bit. And what I mean by that, you can start creating cover art. You can start creating book covers, logo designs, right? So you can really start, expanding that out, and you can start earning a lot of money by doing that. And that's what I recommend that you do. That's what you want to focus on later on down the line, right? So that's what I recommend that you do, right? And so you can earn more money, and you can expand your knowledge, and you can expand what you know and get paid even more money down the line. So as you can see right here, like I said, you can create literally simple thumbnails in under 60 seconds. Like, no joke, guys. Creating thumbnails it's not that hard. You just need to get the rhythm, get the flow going, right? And then you can start doing it super easy. And as you can see right here, there's different graphics and designers. There's 3 million plus, over 100% royalty-free stock photos. So they already have different photos on here that you can choose from, right? So there's a lot of different photos that you can choose from, and you can just edit them, put them in, and just make your thumbnail look nice, and then add text and stuff. That's all you really need. Nothing really, you don't need anything, extravagant. So this is basically what I recommend right here. You can also use a platform called PicMaker. So you can use a platform called PicMaker. You can earn money by doing PicMaker too. And like I said, guys, look at this. It's completely free. Anyone could do this. They create some of the best thumbnails online, right? So 90% of the best performing videos on YouTube have custom thumbnails. So yeah, custom thumbnails are a really big thing, because that's the first thing a person sees when they actually look at a video on YouTube. They look at the thumbnail, then the title, and then back at the thumbnail, guys, and then they click the video. And they're doing this subconsciously, of course. But like I said, this is, definitely worth trying this out. And plus, since a lot of people are online right now because of, what's going on in the world, you can definitely make a lot of money by doing this, guys. And YouTube is such a great platform to join. And there's so many different things that you can do, so many different edits that you can do. And all I recommend, if you're completely new to editing YouTube thumbnails, just practice it a little bit. You don't need to watch a video. You can if you want to. You can watch a tutorial on how to do it on YouTube. But me personally, I just mess around with it, especially when I first got started. I'll just mess around, just get used to the software, just get used to the feel, guys, and just, really try out different things, be creative, right? And that's all you want to do. But also, guys, you don't want to look at you don't want to just start on a blank template, right? So you want to look at other thumbnails just in different niches on how they create it, how it looks. You can look at other videos to give you some ideas, and just be creative with it, right? Now, when different businesses are contacting you, it's going to be different for each business, right? So make sure you look at their niche that they're in, because every niche has different types of thumbnail design. So so that's what I recommend that you do. You don't want to look at a blank template ever. You just want to look at kind of you do want to look at what's working in that niche and just recreate it, guys. So it's not that hard to understand, and I hope you guys are, really you're following along with what I just said, because like I said, this is a great opportunity, and you can make a lot of money by doing this. Look at this, guys. They even take away the background. Look at this. This is insane. Like, look at, that's also another thing. So if you want to add people in this, this is a great platform to use to take away the background. There's other, other free websites that can take off the background completely simple and easy that you don't need Photoshop for. Like, it literally does all the work for you. No joke. And it removes the background and stuff. And look at this. Oh, see, look at this. You can put a little color around it or something. So I definitely recommend this platform. It's definitely worth it. You should definitely try it out. But basically, like I said, guys, this is basically, the end of the video. I do want to show you another platform that you can do this method on, right? So where you can go to a website like Fiverr, and you can literally earn money just by doing the same thing. But they have loads of different things with graphics and designs. Like I said, logo design. You can do a lot of different things. Book cover design. So there's a lot of different designs that you can do, Photoshop editing. So you can really, like I said, expand your knowledge and expand your skill set by doing this, guys, and it's definitely worth it, and the possibilities are literally endless, and this is an easy way to make some money online.